Cleaning with Automove. After Automove has been set up, you can run a cleaning job from the Operate screen. Make sure all operators are clear of the blast zone. Start by activating high-pressure water, depress the safety lever, and click the red high-pressure water button to start the flow of water. The water status on the Operate screen will change to On. If there is a water pressure transducer attached to the water line, the pressure will be displayed as well. To feed the lances to the end of the bundle, click the Tractor Forward button on the back of the controller. Click the Tractor Reverse button to retract the lances. Click both the Tractor Forward and Tractor Reverse buttons at the same time to automatically feed the lances to the end of the bundle and retract them. To move to a new set of tubes, select the on-screen arrow button, pointing in the direction you would like to move. Each arrow button will move the tractor one tube in the direction indicated. If the Sentinel has detected that you are running 2 or 3 lances, there will be arrow buttons with the numbers 2 or 3 beside them. Click these arrow buttons to automatically advance by 2 or 3 tubes at a time. If you have completed the on-screen tube sheet diagram using the boundary clean method, or if you have loaded a completed diagram from a previous job, you can use the on-screen representation of the tube sheet to navigate without the need to view the physical bundle. The on-screen tube sheet diagram will show the location of the tractor guide tubes and which tubes have been cleaned. To continue cleaning, simply use the left joystick to select the arrow button to move to the next set of dirty tubes, and click both feed buttons on the back of the controller to feed the lances in and out. Continue this process until the entire tube bundle is cleaned.